Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with a very special mail call video. The sender of this package is David from TWYCE Diecast, whom I'm proud to call a very dear friend. David's in Alabama, and the genesis of this video is my annual Porsche invitational, where each spring the participants build a custom Porsche and pay it forward by giving their creation away. I've left a link in the description where you can watch David's 2024 build. He took a larger scale car, which he disassembled, customized with the logos of his and my YouTube channels, and arranged them in a shadow box. These are a few clips from that video. After a very careful wrapping job, it made its way across the Atlantic, and I know that every box that comes to me this way does so at considerable expense. So thank you, David. Once in Switzerland, it was then delivered to my door, and here it is on my hobby disc. So I know, and now you know full well what's inside here. But it's still a thrill to unbox these and hold in my hand what I'd seen created so far away, in this case, just for me. Stickers. We got stickers. Expert level packing, David. And look at that. Isn't that a terrific idea? I absolutely love it. Now it hangs in my home office as a reminder that the spirit of generosity is alive and well in the diecast community. Thank you, David. I consider this to be one of the most special items that have been sent to me. I'll see you and everyone else at next year's MLC Porsche 5. It's coffee time.